Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss some questions in chemistry. The first question is, what is equivalent weight? Explain with examples. Answer is the weight of an element or a compound which would combine with or displace one part, more exactly 1.008 parts by weight of hydrogen, 8 parts by weight of oxygen, or 35.5 parts by weight of chlorine. Equivalent weight is a number, and when denoted in grams, it is called gram equivalent. In case of elements which have more than one valency values, the values for equivalent weight are also more than one. Example or exemplification, cupric iron, valence is 2, has equivalent weight 31.5, while cuprous iron, valency 1, has equivalent weight 63. Similarly, mercurous Ag iron, valency 1, has equivalent weight 200, while mercuric iron, valency 2, has equivalent weight 100, and so on. Question 2 is, write 2 uses of washing soda, that is sodium carbonate. Answer is 2 uses of washing soda, that is Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, are first for washing clothes, that is laundry purposes, and second for the manufacture of borax, that is additive before O7, and hypo, that is Na2S2O3.5H2, etc. Third question is, what are the factors that determine the rate of corrosion? Answer is, the process of corrosion is speeded up in the following few circumstances. First is, two metals are in contact with each other. It's the first point. So the corrosion of a more electropositive metal is speeded up when it is in contact with a less electropositive metal. Two metals form an electrochemical, that is galvanic shell, in the presence of moisture. Electrons begin to flow from the more electropositive or more reactive to the less electropositive or less reactive metal. Thus, the more electropositive metal is lost as ions. For example, when iron and copper are in contact, electrons flow from iron to copper because iron, that is Fe, is more electropositive than copper. Thus, the more reactive metal iron forms ions. The process of iron, that is Fe, going away as ions is slower than the absence of copper. That means if copper is present, then the process of corrosion is faster. But if copper is not present, then process of corrosion of iron is slow. Second point is polluting materials in air. Gases responsible for the corrosion of metals are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide, etc. And these gases are in abundance near the industrial units. So, corrosion of metals is speeded up near the industrial units because these gases are present there. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.